Welcome to Python for Beginners Part 2. If you haven't watched Part 1, watch it now. In Part 1, we learned how to install Python. Today, we will start programming in the Python idle. I will show you some basic Python commands and how to do basic math in Python. Let's get started. Before we start coding, let's learn about the Python idle. Python idle 1. Executes Python commands one by one. 2. Has really easy debugging features. 3. Also coded using Python. 4. Useful for learning new Python commands. Now we can start. Let's open up the Python idle. Just open up the Start menu on Windows and search idle. You should see the Python idle there. This is the Python idle. Here we can type in Python commands. The first command we will learn is the print. Print just displays any text we give it. First, type in print. Then type in parentheses, and inside the parentheses we can type the text to display. Like this. This code should display Hello World. Let's press enter to run it. Cool, we got Hello World. We can also do the same with numbers. We can use the plus operator to combine multiple text strings. When we are using the plus on numbers, it will add instead of combine. You can use the asterisk operator to multiply numbers. You can also use more parentheses to do simple algebra. For example, this will first add 1 plus 1, then it will multiply that by 6, which will give us 12. That's how we can do simple math using Python print and idle. The next video will be Intro to Python Editor. The Python editor is basically where we can write Python programs. We will write our first Python program in the next video.